Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 10. This is the official Microsoft method, so we won't be using any third-party tool. Now to get started, you need a USB drive with at least 8GB of space. Let's get started. First, let's go to this Microsoft website. You'll find the link in the video's descriptions. Once you're there, look for the sections that says Create Windows 10 Installation Media and click on the Download Now button. After the download is complete, let's navigate to the download folder and double-click on the exe file. If prompted for permission, just click yes. You'll see a window that says Getting a few things ready. Wait a moment and then you'll need to accept the Microsoft license terms. Just click on the Accept button. Next, let's choose the option to create installation media and click on Next. Here, you'll select Language, Architecture, and the edition of Windows 10. Now, by default, it will recommend settings based on the current PC. If you want to change these settings, simply uncheck the box that says Use the recommended options for this PC. And now, you should be able to change those settings if you like. Select your preferred language. For the Windows 10 edition, you'll only see one option, but don't worry, the basic Windows 10 ISO includes all editions, which you can choose during installation based on the license key you have. For the architecture, you can choose either 64 or 32-bit. Now to find out your system, from the taskbar, right-click on the Windows icon, and let's go to Settings, then System, and then About. Under the device specification, check the system type. If it says 64-bit, select that option. If it says 32-bit, choose 32. And if you're not sure, you can select both options and decide later during installation. And once you've made those selections, click on Next. Now plug in your USB drive and just make sure you have backed up any important data on it before proceeding. Select the USB flash drive option and hit Next. Now this is important, just make sure you choose the correct USB drive from this list and double check that it is the right one to avoid any accidental data loss. Click Next and the tool will begin downloading the Windows 10 ISO file. Now just keep in mind that the file size is usually over 4GB, so it may take a few minutes to complete depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, now the tool will start transferring the files to the USB drive. This may take a little while, so just be patient. And there you go, you've successfully created a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Finally, click on Finish and safely eject the drive. And you should be able to use this USB drive to install Windows 10 on any compatible PC. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.